Welcome to Home Cooking is for the Birds. We're going to start this recipe off by using 3 large chicken breasts, and then we're going to make a marinade. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of hot honey. That's just a guesstimation as I did not measure it. And then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using avocado oil. Add 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Again, I'm not measuring, this is just a guesstimation. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and just a pinch of ginger. If you like exact measurements, then it's 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. This would have probably worked out better if I'd have mixed the marinade first, but I was in a hurry, and this worked out just fine. No worries. We're just going to put a lid on this and just give it a shake and mix those flavors all together. Then we are going to put this in the refrigerator and let this chicken marinate for about 4 to 6 hours. After about 2 hours, I did turn my chicken over in the marinade so that both sides could get coated. And once it's marinated, I decided I was going to grill out. I was so excited to be able to use the grill. You can always put this in a baking dish and cover it in your oven as well. And we're going to cook this on 350 degrees. We're going to let this grill get to 350 degrees. And we're going to let this cook on one side for about 15 minutes. If you decide to make this recipe in your oven, you're probably going to cook this anywhere from 45 minutes to 50 minutes in the oven. The grill is direct heat, so it's going to cook quicker. And of course, that always depends on the size of your chicken and your oven as well. Okay, back to my recipe. So I decided to slice some zucchini, and if you don't slice your zucchini this way, you should give this a try. I have found that by slicing it this way, my zucchini is not as mushy, and for some reason it just tastes better. Give this a try, you'll thank me. Now we're going to add a little bit of oil to this, maybe a tablespoon. Once again, I'm using avocado oil, a little salt and pepper. I'm not going to season this with anything because what I'm going to do, back out to the grill, once I flip my chicken, I am going to add the zucchini to this pan. If you decide to make this recipe on the grill, do keep an eye on that zucchini. Keep moving it around every 5 minutes or so because it will burn easily. And this chicken, we want to cook it 15 minutes on the other side, but every time you open the lid, you lose heat when you check on your zucchini. So you're going to cook this probably another 20 minutes. And voila, dinner is served. Guys, this was absolutely delicious. My husband really bragged this up. One other note, once you flip your chicken, you do want to change out your utensils. I don't talk about that a lot on my videos, but anytime you're handling raw meat with your utensils, once it is cooked, you want to change out that utensil. I think most of us know that, but we have some new cooks. So I hope that helps someone, and y'all have a great evening.